Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Google Pixel 10 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to use advanced voice mode on this device. To do that, firstly, we should just make sure that this mode is enabled in settings. So open settings, then scroll down and find system here. Then find keyboard, then on screen keyboard, and here you will see Google voice typing. This should be enabled. Okay, and then just find any search field, any field where you can type a text. It should be Google Keep, just Google search bar or something. And here you will see this voice input button. Here is a really advanced typing mode. As you can see, it works really good and it detects each word I say, and it's really beautiful. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so please leave me a like and a comment below. See you.